Hi there friends, my name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan, and today is the last day of 2021, so we thought it would be nice for you guys to learn some words related to New Year. And it's a big holiday in Tajikistan. We celebrate it with our family, with our friends, and women, they cook a lot of stuff. We love it. And also we visit our friends, relatives, and wish them Happy New Year. So let's start with Happy New Year first. We say Soli Nав Muborак. So Soli, it's year, a new year, sorry. Nav, new, and happy in Tajik we say Khursant, but the proper way to say Happy New Year in Tajik will be Soli Nав Muborак. Okay? Soli Nав Muborак. And next one, Christmas tree. We call it Solинавӣ. And most of the families, they have Christmas tree. Probably in the north part of Tajikistan, more people have compared to the south part. So, Solинavӣ. Okay? Celebration, we say Jashan. This one is like Jag, Justin, Jashan. Next one, gift. We say Tuhfa. This one is Tuhfa. Okay? Tuhfa. Midnight. So we celebrate at midnight. Midnight we say Nisfi Shab. Like Shab, it's a night. Half of like night. Nisf is half. Nisfi Shab. Next one, preparations. We say Tayyoriho. Tayyoriho. Okay, tablecloth. We say Dastarkhon. Dastarkhon is not only the tablecloth, also the table itself and the food on the table. We also call it Dastarkhon. For example, if we are inviting somebody, we say Dastarkhon bashinit, like sit on the tablecloth, if you translate literally. So Dastarkhon is also the food that we have. Okay? Next one, to cook, we say pukhtan. Pukhtan. Salad. We say khurish, but it's more common to say salad. It's from the Russian word. We say salad. I think it's easier to remember this one because it's similar. Sweets. Shiriniho. This one is sh. Shiriniho. Okay? Next one, drinks. We say neshokiho. We also use Russian word. We say napitki. It's Russian, but it's quite common in the north part of Tajikistan. Alright, next one, alcohol. We say neshokihoi, the same neshokiho, and we add spirti. Neshokihoi spirti. Spirit, it's alcohol. Neshokihoi spirti. Usually men drink neshokihoi spirti. The next one is Kampot. We say Kampot. It's from Russian. Kampot, if you want to learn more about Kampot, you can go to our another YouTube channel. You can find the video link here. Okay, next one, sparkling water. Sparkling water, we say noshokihoi gaznok. Gas. Noshokihoi gaznok. Alright, Eve, we say Arafa. Okay, Arafa. Next one, gathering. We say Jam Ovari. This one is so Jam Ovari. So you just read O here. Jam Ovari. Long E. Decorations. Oroisho. Next one, fireworks. It's not that common to say like Otashbozi. We don't say that Otashbozi. We say salute. Again, it's Russian. So let me underline Russian words. Russian. Okay, again, Russian. Alright, so as you can see, we have so many Russian words here. We use a lot. And that's why it's sometimes hard for Iranians to understand us, because we use a lot of Russian words in the north part of Tajikistan. Alright, now let's review all of them. One more time. Соли Нав Муборак. Next one. арчаи Солинавӣ. Ҷашн. Тӯҳфа. Нисфи шаб. Тайёриҳо. Дастархон. Okay. Пухтан. Хӯриш. Salad, like salad. Шириниҳо. And then нӯшокиҳои спиртӣ. Kampot. нӯшокиҳои газнок. Арафа. ҷамъоварӣ. ороишҳо. Оташбозӣ or salute. We say salute, like French hi. Alright, now let's look at some examples here. The table is full of delicious food. In Tajik we say dastarkhon. Do you remember? The tablecloth. Dastarkhon. Puri khoirokhoyi bolazat. Bolazat means delicious. Dastarkhon puri khoirokhoyi bolazat. Second, people buy each other gifts. We say odamon, people. Odamon ba yakdigar tuhfa mekharand. Odamon ba yakdigar tuhfa mekharand. Alright, next one. You will see Christmas trees everywhere. Шумо арчаҳои солинавиро дар ҳама ҷо мебинед. Шумо арчаҳои солинавиро дар ҳама ҷо мебинед. Okay, and the last one. It's a very beautiful tradition. Tradition, in Tajik we say an-ana. An-ana. Okay, the full sentence. In an-anai khele zebost. Zebo, it's beautiful. We say zebo usually. So, one more time. Dastarхон puri khoirokhoyi bolazat. Odamon ba yakdигар тӯҳфа мехаранд. Шумо арчаҳои солинавиро дар ҳама ҷо мебинед. In an-ana khele zebost. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And I wish you and your family Happy New Year. Soli Nав Муборак. So, see you next year. Bye-bye.